Hi, guys. Welcome to today's episode. So, you know that feeling where you want to use a link over and over again, meaning you don't have to always generate different links every time you're having a class? Yes? Aha, that's what we're going to learn today. And not just that, we're going to also link it to the Google Calendar in that you can always come back to it and always see it. So your Google will always give you a reminder, 30 minutes to the time. It will always set a reminder for you. So even if your mind is currently off, you get a reminder from your Google Calendar that, hey, you've got a meeting. Why? Because you've scheduled it. So we're going to see how we can do that. That's our goal for today. So let's see how you can schedule meetings in that you don't always have to worry by sending a link, creating a link all the time. You create one link and it's a one time thing, you can reuse it for your same class. One link for a class, not every time you're creating new links. Let's get right into it and learn more about it. So the first thing you will do is, as usual, come to your Chrome, your browser, and like I said, you go to the Google Apps. Then from the Google Apps, you come to your Google Meet. So when you tap on your Google Meet, it loads up and brings you to this page. So your focus is here. You have new meeting. So when you click on new meeting, you have these options. In the last video, we did start an instant meeting. So our focus will be on to schedule in Google Calendar. So you click on that, it loads up just few seconds and it brings you to this page. When it brings you to this page, this is where you make every modification you need to do, every arrangement you need to do, beginning with what day, the time, the period, that is the duration of your class, from what time to what time. So you come here, make necessary adjustment, make necessary adjustments. You know your class, you know how long. Then here you pick a date. If it's a one-time thing, you could do a date. If it's not a one-time thing, you can just pick the day you want it to start. Then you come here and choose how often you want it to be. Now, if you're not seeing the days that you're looking for here, come to custom. When you come to custom, you're going to pick the days you want. Okay, so for let's just say I'm going to pick my classes will be for Monday and Wednesdays, for instance. So this is it. Now, every the question goes further to say when should it end? It should never end until the class has been cancelled by maybe your contract has been terminated or has come to an end. Then you can just delete it from your Google Calendar. So other than that, it should never stop. It should always remind you. Then this will also tell you the weeks. It's a weekly thing, is it a daily thing, is it every month? You click select as you want it to be. So I'm going to stick to weekly. Every week, it should pop up Mondays and Wednesdays for me as a reminder. So I'm done here. I've selected Monday. I've selected Wednesday for this particular one. Now you come here and you put a title. So I'm going to put a class, my class time. So I'm going to have class time. That will be my title. Now, the uniqueness of this is that it has automatically generated a link for you. And the link is this. If you tap on this, it will redirect you to your meeting page. So how do you share this link? You copy this link here. So this is your conferencing information. Once you copy it, you've copied already, successfully copied, then you can share your link via mail or you can add individual or send invites. That's very possible. In fact, from this, you can actually send invite to generate invite for you to send to your guests. If you want to go on to do it manually, you add your guests here, your choice. Okay, so these are extra if you want to add your location. Now, notification. It means how much time would you like for Google to notify you of your class. So if you want it to be, give me 30 minutes heads up. So it will give you 30 minutes heads up before your class, so you can put things in order. So if you want it an hour, you come here and select if it's 30 minutes, if it's an hour, if it's a day, your choice. Set it as you want. Now, the description, all of these, they don't really, they're not details you should worry yourself about, colors and all, changing colors and also those are just extra information. Now here, you just come and put in the details of what she's going to be. Mine will be class time. Which class is it? The digital chalkboard, the digital chalkboard time, chalkboard. So it just helps you to be distinctive as to which class, which of the classes, in case you have more than one class. So when you're done with this, all you need to do is just click on save. Once you do that, it will redirect you. You save. So it automatically updates and redirects you here. Remember, we chose Wednesday. So you have the class that's in Wednesday. Now we're going to, you realize that it will always be on Wednesday as well as on Monday. So you see, it automatically, when I click on this now, it shows me the schedule. This is our schedule. You can see, you can copy link and then you go on to share with the people involved, they invite the participants you have. So this automatically shows you on the days that you have. We chose Monday, we chose Wednesday. So you can see. So when you tap, the same thing you have on Wednesday is the same thing that will be on Monday. Why? Because you've scheduled it already. And then when you go to your Google Calendar, if it is in sync with that of your phone, you realize that it's also there. The notification will be there. It always has a blue dot to show you. This blue dot is going to show you. So you see, class time. So this is basically details you have when you schedule your class. And trust me, every time you have your class, you don't need to create a new link. So this link serves for your class at every given time. Okay? Ensure you try this out because sincerely, it's very helpful. If you have alternative way of doing it or going about it, or you have alternative way of sending your meeting, kindly let us know in the comment section so that we can have alternatives. We're here to share knowledge and we're here to help each other. Until next time, guys, hope you've learned something from here. Bye bye.